Hey everyone, welcome back to Web Tutorials. This is Laura, and today in this video we're going to study about the scope operator, the static operators of the OOP. So before starting, let's make a program. So I'm going to make the first. Let's have to include the libraries. Hash include stream. Hash include IOStream for the input output, and we are going to definitely using namespace std. This is everything, and we are going to make a class. Yep, I have to make this int main. Have to start this all. So over here I will make a class named as we can say human. For example, for the human we're going to make a class, and over here I'm going to declare a string named as name. For the string you need to, because you know in the browser, in the C++ programming, the string cannot be identified until you will not declare the class, my library of that. So that's why we have to include the library. So hash include string. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna save it, and yeah, it has been saved. I have declared string name. The next thing, I'm going to make a function named as we can say introduce. Yeah, here we go, and the semicolon over here. So in the class human I have declared two things. Let me write this string again. This has not removed, but it's okay, it can work. So we have two things. The number one is the string, which is human. The number two is the void function that has been named as introduce. So let's have a scope accessifier outside the class. Well, the reason I'm writing the void, because I'm going to access this introduce function outside the function. So for that, we need to, the data type we have exactly given to the function, we have to write that exactly outside the function. So for that, I have write void human. The class name is definitely human. The scope accessifier, and it's giving me an option that you want to take the introduce function or you want to take the variable. Well, I will say that I want to have the function. And over here, cout human. In the class, go in the cout, you need to see out the class having this string name. Yeah, here we go. And L and L and line. That's it. Here we go. So in the int main, I'm going to declare the class name human has an object that is, can say my name, Lalaro, and I'm going to send that object to the name. Well, it's not getting bold, but that's fine. Lalaro.name will have to, I'm going to assign this a name that is John, and that's it. And then I'm going to call $.introduce, introducing the function, and here I'm going to return 0. Yeah, that's fine. So well, I think I'm done. So let's build it and let's see. I hope I will not get the result. Well, we are getting an error. std string human name is private. Well, we need to declare the public, that we are saying these accessifiers are the public things. And now let's see. I hope now that it will run, and finally we can see it has been run. So we are seeing the John over here. What if, for example, if I give this name, well, can say Lala, that's it, we can say. For instance, I'm gonna save it and building the run again. Gonna close it, and let's see if this Lala will work or not. No, still we can see the output still John, because you know, well, let me tell you the scene. Because this, what we have in the back we have the name Lala, and when we go ahead, when we have the scope accessifier, and when we go the step to the step, we can see that the new name is John. So we override the Lala with John. So the Lala has been withdrawn, and John has been overcome it. So that's fine. And if I want to have a new experiment, then we can, what if I remove this? Let's remove this one and declare it outside the class, like string, string human class, scope X. I'm accessing the name and giving it the no name thing. Don't forget the semicolon, and now we have to run this. And you can see that we are getting an error because it's saying the we cannot give a value to the static number variable outside the class. So here we go, and we have to remove this all. And now let's see, let's run it again, and we have the job. So that's it. I hope, yeah, you got it. So if you have any query, then let me know. Thanks. Take care.